You've been driving your Ford every single day, to work, to the grocery store, on road trips, and you probably think you know everything about it. But here's the truth. Ford has packed some seriously clever features into their vehicles that most owners have absolutely no idea exist. We're talking about tricks and tools buried in menus, hidden in the steering wheel, tucked inside door panels, and even built right into the road underneath you. These aren't gimmicks. These are real, useful features that can save you time, keep you safer, and honestly, just make your whole driving experience feel a lot more premium. So buckle up, because by the end of this video, you're going to look at your Ford in a completely different way. Let's get into it. Feature number 1, the secret second horn button. Most people know where the horn is. You slam the center of the steering wheel and it goes off. Simple. But here's what almost nobody knows. On many Ford models, especially trucks like the F-150 and the Ranger, there's actually a secondary horn activation point on the outer ring of the steering wheel. It's not labeled. It doesn't look any different. But if you press firmly on the top or bottom sections of the steering wheel, not the center pad, you'll find that the horn activates from there too. Why does this matter? Well, think about situations where your hands are in the 9 and 3 position. You need to react fast. You don't have time to shift your grip to the center. That outer ring activation means you can keep full control of the wheel while still laying on the horn. It's a subtle safety feature that Ford quietly built in, and once you know it's there, you'll never forget it. Feature number 2, one-touch window down on all windows. You probably already know that if you hold the window button down on the driver's door, the window will roll all the way down by itself with just one press. Classic auto down feature, right? But here's what most Ford owners don't realize. You can do this for all the windows in the car at the same time, all from the driver's seat. On most Ford models equipped with the premium door panel controls, if you press and hold the driver's window button in the down position for about 3 seconds without releasing it, all 4 windows will start dropping simultaneously. It works on the F-150, the Explorer, the Edge, and several other models in the lineup. On a hot summer day when you've just gotten into a car that's been baking in the sun, this single feature can drop your interior temperature faster than your air conditioning can get started. It's one of those things where you'll wonder why every car doesn't do this by default. Feature number 3, the hidden cargo lamp in the tailgate. Ford F-Series truck owners, this one is specifically for you. If you've ever tried to load your truck bed at night, you know how frustrating it is. You're fumbling around in the dark, squinting at boxes and gear, probably using your phone flashlight. But Ford actually built a cargo lamp directly into the tailgate on many F-150 and Super Duty models. It's not the big light that illuminates your whole bed from the cab. That's a different feature. We're talking about a small but surprisingly bright light that's embedded right into the tailgate panel itself, pointing inward toward the bed. To activate it, you hold the tailgate release button for 2 seconds instead of just pressing it quickly. Some model years tie it to the interior lighting circuit, meaning it activates automatically when you open the tailgate at night. Check your tailgate panel closely. There's a small lens right there that most owners completely overlook because they never think to look for it. Feature number 4, MyKey system for young or inexperienced drivers. This one is a game changer for any Ford owner who shares their vehicle with a teenager, a new driver, or even an employee. Ford's MyKey system lets you program a separate key fob that has built-in restrictions. We're not talking about a simple speed limiter slapped onto a cheap rental car system. This is sophisticated. With MyKey activated on a secondary key, you can cap the vehicle's top speed at a set limit, set a maximum volume on the audio system, make the seatbelt chime persistent and annoying until it's actually buckled, disable certain driving modes, and even prevent the driver from turning off certain safety features like stability control or forward collision warning. The whole setup happens through the sync system in your infotainment screen. You go to Settings, then MyKey, and from there you program everything. The admin key, the one that can change all these settings, is the key that was not used to set up MyKey. This means your teenager literally cannot change the restrictions from the driver's seat. It's hidden in plain sight, and the number of Ford owners who have no idea this exists is genuinely surprising. Feature number 5, pre-collision assist with pedestrian detection. You might have heard of Ford's pre-collision assist system in a general sense, but here's what most owners don't realize. On models equipped with the full suite, which includes the Explorer, Escape, Fusion, and F-150 from roughly 2018 onward, this system does far more than just detect other cars. It actively scans for pedestrians and cyclists using a combination of radar mounted in the front grille and a camera positioned behind the rearview mirror. If someone steps out in front of you and you haven't yet applied the brakes, the system will first alert you with audio and visual warnings, then pre-charge the brake system to cut your stopping distance, and finally apply full emergency braking on its own if you still haven't reacted. The part that trips people up is that this feature is often toggled off through the sync menu under driver assistance settings, sometimes because a previous owner or dealer turned it off during setup. If your car has this hardware, go into your settings right now and make sure pedestrian detection is turned on. It could be sitting there, dormant, waiting to potentially save a life, and you'd have no idea. Feature number 6, the FordPass app remote. Start without a remote. A lot of Ford owners know that their key fob has remote start. Press the lock button twice, then hold start. But what happens when you leave your keys at home? Or you're 2 floors up in an office building and you want to warm up your truck before you walk out into the cold? Enter the FordPass app. FordPass is a free application available on both iOS and Android, and when it's linked to your vehicle through your Ford account, it gives you remote start capability directly from your smartphone. No key fob required. And it doesn't stop there. From the app, you can lock and unlock your doors, check your fuel level, see your tire pressure, locate your parked vehicle, schedule remote starts for specific times, and even receive maintenance alerts. The scheduling feature alone is something most owners never discover. You can tell the app to start the car every weekday at 7:45 a.m. So, by the time you walk out the door at 8, the cabin is already at the perfect temperature. It connects over the cellular network, so as long as you have cell service, distance doesn't matter. You could technically start your Ford from across the country. Feature number 7, Pro Trailer Backup Assist, and how to actually use it. If you've ever tried to back a trailer into a tight spot, you know it's one of the most spatially confusing tasks a driver can face. Your instinct is to steer one way, but the trailer goes the opposite direction, and before you know it, you've jackknifed the whole rig. Ford developed a technology called Pro Trailer Backup Assist specifically to solve this problem, and it's available on the F150, F250, and F350, among others. Here's how it works. Once your trailer is connected and calibrated in the system, you put the truck in reverse, and then you take your hands off the steering wheel. Instead of using the wheel, you use a small rotary knob on the dashboard. Turn the knob left, and the trailer goes left. Turn it right, the trailer goes right. The truck's computer handles all the opposite input math automatically. You're essentially steering the trailer directly, rather than steering the truck. There's also an integrated trailer camera setup that gives you a wide-angle bird's-eye view of exactly where the trailer is heading. This feature requires calibration through the sync system the first time you hook up each trailer, and many owners skip that step thinking it's unnecessary. It's not. The calibration is what makes the whole system work precisely. Feature number 8, the hidden storage. Under the rear seat in the F-150, Ford F-150 owners with a Super Crew or Super Cab model, go look at your rear seat right now. If you haven't already discovered this, prepare to feel like you found a hidden room in your house. The rear seat in many F-150 configurations is designed to fold completely flat and reveal a massive underseat storage compartment. We're not talking about a shallow tray. On crew cab models, this space is deep enough to store full-size tools, sporting equipment, and valuables completely out of sight. But here's the part that's genuinely hidden. There are also small, enclosed storage boxes on either side of the underseat compartment that are separated from the main space. These smaller cubbies are lockable on certain trim levels and are designed specifically to hide valuables. They're accessed by flipping up additional panels that most owners assume are just structural parts of the seat base. The entire underseat system was redesigned, starting with the 2015 generation F-150, and Ford made it more generous with each subsequent update. Many owners have been driving their trucks for years without ever exploring what's literally underneath where their passengers sit. Feature number 9, automatic high beams. Nighttime driving is more dangerous than daytime driving. That's not an opinion. That's a statistical fact. And one of the most important tools for safe nighttime driving is your high beam headlights. The problem is that most drivers either forget to turn them on or forget to switch back to low beams when oncoming traffic appears. Ford's automatic high beam headlights, available across a wide range of models including the Fusion, Escape, Explorer, and F-150, solve this completely. Using a camera mounted near the rearview mirror, the system monitors the road ahead for the headlights of oncoming vehicles and the taillights of vehicles ahead of you. When the road is clear, it automatically activates your high beams. When another vehicle enters its detection zone, it switches back to low beams instantly. The switch happens faster than any human reaction time. The thing is, on many Ford models, this feature ships turned off by default. You have to go into your driver assistance settings in Sync and enable it manually. Once it's on, and you've driven with it for a week, you will never want to drive at night without it again. It genuinely changes how relaxing nighttime highway driving feels. Feature number 10, the Portable Power Outlet, Pro Power Onboard. Starting with the 2021 F-150, Ford introduced something that no other truck manufacturer had done at that scale, a built-in power generator called Pro Power Onboard. Depending on the trim and engine option you chose, your F-150 might have anywhere from 2.0 kilowatts all the way up to 7.2 kilowatts of exportable power available directly from standard 120-volt household outlets installed right in the truck bed and cabin. That's enough power to run a full job site's worth of tools, charge batteries, run a refrigerator, power a television, or even run a small air conditioning unit during a campout. The outlets in the bed are weather-sealed and capable of handling standard 3-prong plugs. But here's what many owners miss. There are also outlets inside the cab, often hidden in the center console or on the rear wall behind the front seats, that can power devices inside the truck. If you have the hybrid version of the F-150, the power generation is essentially passive. The hybrid battery system handles it without running the engine continuously. For non-hybrid models, you manage the generator output through the sync screen, where you can see real-time wattage draw and toggle the system on or off. Feature number 11, Ford Copilot 360 blind spot cameras. You know those little orange warning lights in your side mirrors that light up when something's in your blind spot? That's the standard blind spot monitoring system, and most modern Ford buyers know it exists. But what most owners don't know is that on Ford, models equipped with Copilot 360 Plus, pressing the turn signal doesn't just activate the warning light, it also pulls up a live camera feed of your blind spot directly on the digital instrument cluster or the infotainment screen. You get an actual video view of the lane beside you the moment you signal your intention to change lanes. This isn't a rendering or a graphic. No, it's a real camera feed showing you exactly what's next to your vehicle. The feature works on both sides independently, triggered by whichever turn signal you activate. It's built on the same camera hardware as the Surround View Park Assist system, which means if your Ford has the parking cameras, there's a very good chance the blind spot camera feature is there too, just waiting to be enabled. Many owners discover this completely by accident after months of ownership, when they signal a lane change and suddenly notice video appearing on their screen for the first time. Feature number 12, the door-mounted bottle opener on the F-150. This one is simple, completely low-tech, and somehow one of the most satisfying hidden features Ford has ever put in a vehicle. On many F-150 models, particularly from 2015 onward, if you open the tailgate and look at the underside of it, not the outside panel that faces traffic, but the inner panel that faces the truck bed, you will find a small, integrated bottle opener built right into the metal. It's subtle. It doesn't have a label. It's just a cutout in the tailgate's inner structure that happens to be exactly the right shape and position to pop the cap off a bottle. Ford designed this as a nod to the working person lifestyle that the F-150 represents. After a long day on a job site or out in the field, you can crack open a cold drink right there at the tailgate without having to dig through your gear for a bottle opener. It seems like a small thing, but the attention to detail it represents is genuinely impressive. When you show this to other F-150 owners who don't know about it, the reaction is almost always the same: pure disbelief followed immediately by a giant grin. Feature number 13, the inflatable rear seatbelts. This one sounds like it's made up. It's not. Ford developed and patented inflatable rear seatbelts, which are available on several Ford and Lincoln models. From the outside, these seatbelts look completely normal. Same width, same webbing, same buckle. But built into the shoulder portion of the belt is an airbag that inflates during a collision. When a front or side crash is detected by the vehicle's sensors, the seatbelt itself inflates within milliseconds, spreading the crash forces across a much wider area of the occupant's chest and shoulder than a standard belt can achieve. Ford's internal testing showed that these belts significantly reduce the risk of head, neck, and chest injuries, particularly for rear seat passengers who are statistically more vulnerable in crashes than front seat occupants. The system is completely invisible until it activates, which means it doesn't require the passenger to do anything differently. They just buckle up as normal. Many Ford Explorer and F-150 models have shipped with this technology as standard equipment for years. and surveys consistently show that a majority of owners have no idea the seatbelts in their car are fundamentally different from any other vehicle on the road. Feature number 14. The Sync 4 Split-Screen Navigation and Entertainment. Ford's Sync 4 infotainment system, available on vehicles from 2020 onward, including the F-150, Mustang Mach-E, Bronco Sport, and others, has a feature that almost nobody uses simply because they don't know it exists: true split-screen mode. By swiping from the left edge of the touchscreen or using the split-screen icon that appears in the navigation bar, you can divide the screen into two independent panels. The left panel can display your navigation map, while the right panel shows your media controls. Or you can put climate controls on one side and your phone contacts on the other. The system lets you customize which apps and features populate each side of the split. On models with a larger 12-inch screen, this becomes a genuinely spacious and functional dual-panel workspace. The reason most owners never find this is because the gesture that activates it, that swipe from the left edge, isn't labeled anywhere on the screen itself. Ford introduced it as a power user feature, assuming people would discover it, but the reality is that unless someone tells you it's there, you could own the car for its entire lifespan and never find it. Feature number 15. The Hidden Fuel Tank Capacity Reserve. This last one is something every Ford driver should know, and it's going to change how you think about that moment when your fuel light comes on. When the low fuel warning light activates on most Ford vehicles, the gauge is reading what appears to be empty, but it's not actually empty. Ford, like most manufacturers, builds a reserve capacity into the tank that goes beyond the empty reading on your gauge. For most Ford models, when that light first turns on, you still have somewhere between 1 and 2 gallons of usable fuel left in the tank. For an F-150 with a V8, that's roughly 20 to 30 miles of range. For a smaller model like the Escape or Focus, it could be closer to 35 to 40 miles. Ford programs this buffer intentionally because they know drivers don't always have immediate access to a gas station. But here's the hidden part. In the Sync system under your vehicle information menu, some Ford models actually display the estimated miles to empty even after the warning light activates, continuing to count down rather than just showing dashes or zero. So rather than panicking when the light comes on during your highway drive, check that screen, because your Ford is likely telling you exactly how much time you have left, down to the mile. The bottom line. And there you have it, 15 hidden Ford features that most owners have never discovered, even after years behind the wheel. From the inflatable seatbelts quietly protecting your passengers to the bottle opener built right into your tailgate, Ford has been adding layers of thoughtful engineering to their vehicles that go far deeper than the surface level. Here's what I want you to do right now. Pick 2 or 3 of these features that apply to your specific model and actually go try them. Test the MyKey setup tonight. Enable the automatic high beams before your next evening drive. Open that tailgate and find that bottle opener. These aren't theoretical features. They're sitting in your car right now, waiting for you to use them. If this video gave you something new to try, hit that like button and share it with every Ford owner you know. And if you want more deep dive content on hidden vehicle features, manufacturer secrets, and the kind of stuff that makes you feel like a car insider, subscribe, because we put out this kind of content every single week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.